Okay guys, in this video I will teach you the most powerful tips in Notepad++. Okay, here you can see we are normally, I'm just typing here this three names like um, Rosie, Rosie, then Ram and Joseph. Okay, then I'm typing their age 21, 15 and 45. Okay, we are normally just we are arrange this age to these names like this hyphen, then copy this one and paste here, and copy this one and paste here, and I copy this one, paste here. This is normal method, but in this video we are learning a new method. Okay, it is only works in Notepad++. So we are just select the most lengthy name or line from your text. Here is Joseph. Then press a space button. Then hold press Alt key and just select upward like this. Then add hyphen. So there is hyphen. Then come back to the age text. Here hold plus Alt key, sorry for that, and select like this. Hold press Alt key and select like this. Then you can see the text symbols like here. Okay, then just Control plus copy or Control plus X for cut. Okay, then I'll show you that some people don't know the shortcut. So hold press the Alt key from your keyboard, then select like this, then right click on cut, come here, hold press Alt key, then just select like this, then right click, sorry, like this, then use keyboard shortcut method Control plus V button for pasting. Now it is very useful for lengthy formats. So we are just simply copy and paste the name and age here. So it is very useful and the most powerful tips in Notepad++. So use wisely. You can simply create any kind of tables like this. Okay guys, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.